Good morning, class 3. I hope everyone is fit and fine. I again welcome you in class of science. Today we will start with the revision as our syllabus is complete. So from today onwards we will start with the revision work. So first we are going to revise chapter number 11, that is light, sound and force. So let's start with the revision work of this chapter. Open page number 1111, that is 111 of your books, everyone. First are the fill in the blanks. The sun is a dash source of light. We know it is a natural source of light. A shadow is dash at noon. A shadow is always short at noon because shadow is long in the morning and in the evening, but in the noon time, at the noon time, it is always short because at that time the sun is at the top of your head. Our ears help us dash sound. What is the function of the ears? Ears, they help to hear sound. Dash sound is called noise. What type of sound produces noise? That sound makes you irritated. That is the loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. Next, a push or a pull is called a dash. A push or a pull is called force. A push or a pull is called dash. When you push something or pull something, that is called force. F-O-R-C-E, force. Next, true false. First is friction is a type of force. True. Because friction it force have. All objects give off light. False, because some objects like bed, chair, table, wall, they cannot give you light. So all are not luminous, some are non-luminous also. All sounds are pleasant. False. Some sounds are unpleasant also, they are loud also. Shadows of different objects are of different colors. False. Because shadow is always of black color. Object किसी मर्जी कलर का हो, but your shadow will be of black color only. Friction makes things go faster. False. Because friction it opposes the movement of the objects, or you can say it slows down the movement of the objects. It doesn't make the objects to move faster. So it is false. Next, choose the correct option. Which of these is not a source of light? That is bottle. Bottle, it doesn't give you light. Which of these is not true about a shadow? Answer is it is always short. Last option, because shadow is long in the morning and in the evening and it is short at the noon time. So it is incorrect for a shadow. Which of these is an unpleasant sound? Loud scream of a child. Because it makes you irritated. Loud scream of a child. It is the unpleasant sound. What are the three things that force can do to an object? Push, pull and peel. These are the three things that the force can do to an object. Which of these is a pleasant sound? Pleasant sound किसकी है इसमें से? Sound of a wind chime. Wind chime क्या है? It is a decorative piece that is hanged outside of your houses on the walls or something on किसी hanger पे टांग देते हैं बेटे. When a wind blows, they start moving, they start producing sound. वो हिलता है wind chime और उससे sound produce होती है. Next, which of these is a source of light? Answer is fire. Fire, because when the fire it starts burning, then it gives you light. Which of these helps us make sound? Which organ helps you to make sound? That is our tongue. Which of these is not true about force? The answer is it can change the color of an object. Because force it cannot change the color of an object. It can only make the objects move and change their positions. Next, circle the odd one out in each of the following. कौन सा odd one out है इसमें से? Let us see. First is loud sound, soft sound, tongue and noise. First में से है tongue. जो बाकी सारे साउंड्स हैं, बट जो टंग है वो ऑर्गन है जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है. It is odd one out. Bell, music, telephone, cry. Cry is odd one out because बाकी जो है सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस हैं जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, बट cry is already a sound. Candle, carpet, chair, table. Candle is luminous, but others are non-luminous. Bag, sun, stars, and bulb, all are luminous, but bag is non-luminous. So it is odd one. Bark, cry, play, honk. सभी अनप्लेजेंट साउंड्स हैं, साउंड जो भी है साउंड्स हैं सारी, बट जो प्ले है इट इज अ गेम, इट इज नॉट अ साउंड, सो इट इज ऑड वन. नेक्स्ट, गिव वन वर्ड फॉर द फॉलोइंग. ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट डू नॉट गिव ऑफ लाइट, उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? दे आर कॉल्ड एज नॉन ल्यूमिनस. अ डार्क पैच दैट इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द ग्राउंड व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट ब्लॉक्स द पाथ ऑफ लाइट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज शैडो. डार्क पैच को बोलते हैं शैडो. लाउड एंड अनप्लेजेंट साउंड, उसको बोलते हैं नॉइज दैट मेक्स यू इरिटेबल. अ पुश और पुल इज कॉल्ड फोर्स. अ टाइप ऑफ फोर्स दैट स्लोज डाउन मूवमेंट, कौन सी टाइप फोर्स की है जो मूवमेंट स्लो करती है ऑब्जेक्ट्स की? दैट इज द फ्रिक्शन, फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. गिव टू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. Non-luminous objects. Write any two non-luminous that do not give light. Table, chair, bag, wall, bed, carpet, कुछ भी लिख दो. Pleasant sounds कौन कौन सी होती है बेटे? एक तो म्यूजिक है, that gives you happiness. Waterfall sound, that is also pleasant जब waterfall हो रहा है. Unpleasant sounds that makes you irritated. Which are that sounds? One you can write honking of the vehicles, जो horns हैं vehicles के. एंड स्क्रीमिंग, हूटिंग, जो चीखना वगैरह जो भी है. इफेक्ट्स ऑफ फोर्स, क्या क्या इफेक्ट्स हैं फोर्स के? इफेक्ट कैन चेंज द शेप ऑफ द फोर्स कैन चेंज द शेप ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड सेकेंड यू कैन राइट फोर्स कैन चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट मेक साउंड, लाउड स्पीकर्स दे मेक साउंड. ड्रम्स दे मेक साउंड, व्हेन यू बीट ड्रम्स उससे साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है. लाउड स्पीकर से भी साउंड आती है. So these are the two objects that produce sound. Next is answer the following questions. What are luminous objects? Give two examples. The objects that gives out light, they are called as luminous objects. Two examples are sun and bulb. What is a shadow? When do objects form shadows? Shadow क्या है बेटे? Shadow, it is a dark patch formed on the ground when an object blocks the path of the light. तो वो कैसे बनती, कैसे है shadow? Shadow बनती है when an object blocks the path of light. जब कोई object है, suppose this is the source of light, जहां से आपको light आ रही है. Suppose sun is there, यहाँ पे आपका tree है. Light is coming from the sun. This is the object. ये object है, इससे light आगे नहीं जाएगी. लाइट कैन नॉट क्रॉस दिस ट्री, ट्री से पास नहीं कर सकती लाइट, तो दूसरी तरफ क्या होगा? उस ट्री की शेडो बन जाएगी. सो व्हेन द लाइट इज ब्लॉक्ड देन द शेडो इज फॉर्म. व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ साउंड्स वी हियर? क्या कौन कौन से टाइप्स के साउंड्स हैं? सॉफ्ट साउंड इज देयर, लाउड साउंड इज देयर, प्लेजेंट साउंड इज देयर एंड अनप्लेजेंट साउंड इज देयर. Differentiate between luminous and non-luminous objects. Give two examples. Luminous objects are the objects that give out light. Example, sun, bulb, tube light. Non-luminous objects are the objects that do not give off light. Examples, bag, wall, any two. What is friction? Give one use of friction in our daily life. The force that slows down the movement is called friction. जो फोर्स मूवमेंट को स्लो करती है that is called friction. डेली लाइफ से कोई भी एग्जांपल दे दो. इट इज ऑन द पेज नंबर 110, वो लिखी हुई एग्जांपल. सॉरी. When friction is very less, things slide. जिस सरफेस पे फ्रिक्शन बहुत ज्यादा कम होती है वहां पे थिंग्स जो स्लाइड करती हैं, स्लिप करती हैं. When it is more, things don't move. जब मोर है फ्रिक्शन तो चीजें हैं जो वो मूव नहीं करेंगी. If there was no friction, we would not be able to walk, we would keep sleeping walk. डेली लाइफ से ये आपकी एग्जाम्पल है. अगर धरती पे फ्रिक्शन ना होती, सरफेस पे अर्थ सरफेस पे फ्रिक्शन ना होती तो हम स्लिप ही करते रहते. फ्रिक्शन है, दैट इज व्हाई वी आर एबल टू वॉक ऑन द अर्थ. फ्रिक्शन की वजह से ही हम अर्थ पे वॉक कर रहे हैं. दैट इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द फ्रिक्शन फोर्स. नेक्स्ट बेटा, लेट्स रिकॉल ऑन पेज नंबर 113 डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ साउंड्स. डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ साउंड्स कौन कौन सी हैं? सॉफ्ट, लाउड, अनप्लेजेंट, प्लेजेंट एंड लास्ट वन इज नॉइज. सॉफ्ट साउंड की एग्जांपल विस्पर. विस्पर मींस व्हेन यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग इन योर माउथ, जब बहुत ही स्लोली आप अपने मुंह में ही बात करते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड विस्पर. द सेम वे एज यू विस्पर इन द क्लास इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ टीचर. आप अपने फ्रेंड से बात करते हो slowly and slowly in the presence of a teacher, that is called whisper. Loud sound, ring of the bell. The bell in your school that rings, that is also loud sound. Unpleasant sound is honking of the vehicles, horns that are produced by the vehicles, that is the unpleasant sound that makes you irritate. Pleasant sound, music, it makes you happy. Next, last one is pleasant sound is music that makes you happy. And the last one is noise. Noise is traffic noise, noise of the planes. These are the examples of the sounds. So beta, this chapter is complete. Go through it that we have done today, and then you will not face any problem and prepare for your exams. All the best. Thank you and have a nice day.